So we're gonna make some lasagna tonight, a very small pan. I gotta hold the phone because my little stand broke. I got some ricotta cheese, 1 egg, a little bit of oil, Ghetto Girl on everything spicy going in. And then we're gonna get this mixed up. First layer down, then we're gonna go in with our sausage, ground beef, cheese it, and keep layering it up. All right, so I got it all layered up. Yes, we're gonna get this into the oven. Ooh, my lighting ain't lighting. My phone holder broke. That's okay. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully this lasagna come out good, because if not, it's gonna be one fucked up ass night. Ground beef and beef kibashi sausage. All right, you guys, we have the lasagna out of the oven. Looks good, right?